Good morning, children. In the previous class, we solved the problems, and today we'll be solving of some more problems, children. Let us see. I'm writing the problem on the board, children. Make a note of it. Second problem. If an object of 7 centimeter height, 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of of 12 centimeter from a convex lens. 12 centimeter from a convex lens. Of focal length 8 centimeter. Of focal length 8 centimeter. Find the position, nature and height of the image. Find the position, nature and height of the image. Height of the image. Children, when we solve the problems, first you should make a note of what is given, children. Here, if an object of 7 centimeter height, that is height of the object, that is equals to 7 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, that is object distance is 12 centimeters. Object distance is 12 centimeter from a convex lens. Of focal length is given. Focal length is 8 centimeter. Here, what type of lens it is, children? It is the convex lens. For a convex lens, what are the sign conventions? Okay. For a convex lens, what are the sign conventions? For the convex lens, the sign conventions are only U is negative, whereas the remaining all are positive. Whereas the height of the object always it is positive. U is negative. Okay. Here we should find the image distance, children. Here we should find the image distance. That is by using the lens formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here 1 by 8 is equals to, we don't know v, 1 by v minus, here it is u is minus 12, children. Therefore minus 1 by 12 we can write. Here we get 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by 12. Here 1 by v is equals to plus 1 by 12 coming this side, it subtracts minus 1 by 12. What is the LCM, children? 48? Yes, 40. 48 is the LCM. Okay, 8 6 are 48 minus 12 4s are 40. 12 4s are 48. Here 1 by v is equals to 6 minus 4 is 2 by 48, that is 24. 1 by v is equals to 24, 1 by 24. Therefore v is equals to how much, children? 24 centimeter. V, is it positive or negative? Yes, it is positive, children. Okay, it is positive. Okay, children. Now here we got V is equals to 24 centimeter, children. V is equals to 24 centimeter. Here image distance we got. Image distance is 24 centimeter. Image distance is 24 centimeter. Have you understood, children? Here height of the object is given 7 centimeter. U is minus 12. F is 8. By substituting, we got V is equals to 24 centimeter. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula. Substituting the terms, in the length formula, 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by b minus of minus 1 by 12. Why? Because here u is minus 12. Therefore, we should not write minus 12 in the denominator. Therefore, we should write in the numerator children. Here, therefore, we got plus 1 by 12. Therefore, transposing of plus 1 by 12 to this side. Why? Because we are keeping this as it is. But I am writing to the left side. Okay? Here minus plus 1 by 12 coming this side, minus 1 by 12. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 children. Okay? Here we got V is equals to 24 centimeter. Okay children? V is equals to 24 centimeter. Now what is he asking? He is asking to find the position, nature also, position of the image. V is equals to 24 centimeter. Now by using the magnification formula, Hi by Ho is equals to V by U. Why? Because it is a lens. V by U. Here Hi we don't know. He is asking to find the Hi also. What is Ho? It is 7 centimeter. What is V here? 24 centimeter. What is U here? 8 centimeter. 8 3s are 24. Hi is equals to 7 into 3, that is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay children? How much we got? Hi is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay children? We got the Hi, height of the image is equals to the 21 centimeter. Okay? Height of the image is equals to the 21 centimeter. Okay? Right. Okay. Here Hi by Ho is equals to V by U. That is here Hi. We should find Ho is how much it is given children? Ho is given as 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter. That is equals to 24. How much we got the V children? V we got it as 24. 24 by the height of the object. Okay children? Here object is 12 centimeter. Sorry, it is 12 centimeter. Height of the object is 12 centimeter. Therefore 12 ones are 12 twos are 7 into 2, 14 centimeter. How much children it is? 14 centimeter. It is minus 14. Okay children? Minus 14. Why? Because here U is minus. Therefore minus 24 by 12, that is minus 14 centimeter. It is minus 14 centimeter. When minus indicates it is inverted. It is inverted. Real, if it is inverted, it is real. Okay? The position of the image children. Position of the image. What is the position of the image? Position of the image. If you draw the figure children, normally a convex lens, object height is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. Focal length is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Therefore, what is the center of curvature children? This is also 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16 centimeter. But here, what is the, here object is at 16 cent. What is the object distance? Object distance is 12 centimeter. 12 means it will be in between F and C children. It will be in between F and C. Why? Because 12 here. 12 means here total 16. From here to here it is 16. 12 means somewhere it will be in between these two. When the object is in between C and F, where the image is formed? It is formed beyond C. Okay. This side also, here 16 is there. But here how much we got the object distance? 24. Therefore it is beyond C. Position of the image is beyond center of curvature. Okay children? Therefore we got the position of the image is at beyond center of curvature. It forms the real image, it forms the inverted image. Okay? And here, what is the size children? The height of the object is 7 centimeter. Height of the image is 14 centimeter. Therefore, is it enlarged or diminished? Enlarged. Okay, these are the characteristics children. These are the characteristics. By using the problem, we should write the characteristics children. We should indicate the characteristics. By solving the problem, we should indicate the characteristics children. Okay children? Therefore, this is the problem, children. This is the problem. Okay, right. Next, we see some more problem, children. One more problem we see, children. Here, just one more problem. You should practice the problems in a more number check, such that, okay, if you are familiar with the problems, then it is easy for you to solve the problems, children. And here, if you solve the problems, you can score good marks in the examination. Why? Because in every examination, he may be asking the problems also. The examiner may ask the problems also. Therefore, you should practice the problems such that you can do them very easily. And it is easily you can score the by marks, children, when you solve the problems. Okay, right. The magnification produced by a spherical lens is plus 2.5 centimeter. What is the nature of the image? He is asking. Nature of the image. Okay, he is asking what is the nature of the image and nature of the lens. That means here he is asking that. Okay, here he is asking the nature of the lens. Okay, nature of the lens means what type of lens it is. What is the nature of the image? Nature of the image means whether it is real or virtual or erected or diminished or inverted, like that. Okay, here the magnification produced by spherical lens is plus 2.5 centimeter. Always plus indicates in terms of lenses. Plus indicates it always gives the virtual image. Virtual, if it gives the virtual image, always virtual images are erected. Always the virtual images are erected. Here, in which case always we get the virtual images erected. Which type of lens? Convex lens. When the position of the object is at different places, we get the different images, children. But whereas in the concave lens, always we get the virtual images, erected images. Therefore, what is the nature of the lens? It is concave lens. Okay, children. It always gives. The nature of the lens is a concave lens, children. The nature of the lens is a concave lens, and here it is always virtual, always erected. Always virtual and erected. Virtual erected means normally in case of the concave lens, children. Concave lens, we get the virtual image, we get the erected image, we get the diminished image. Diminished. Why? Because here diminished image here. Why we get the diminished image? Normally, if you draw the figure, you will be knowing of that one, children. Okay. Therefore, diminished image. Okay. And the object is in between. Object is in between. Okay. Optic center and focal point. Okay, children. Optic center and focal point. Okay. Right. I think you've got the idea, children. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.